welcome to Environmental Expert. My name is Milica Scales and I'm here today to share with you some of the secrets of one of Victoria's most beautiful and diverse environments, the rocky shore. Life's pretty tough on the rocky shore. Most of the time this entire platform is covered with water, but twice every day the tide retreats, leaving the inhabitants exposed. We mainly visit the rocky shore when the tide is low and there isn't much action. Most creatures are shut up shop or are hiding in the pools and crevices. But when the tide is high, the rocky shore comes alive. And many of the creatures here have evolved very unique and somewhat bizarre ways of surviving. Let's have a closer look. There's loads of different sea snails. Look at the diversity. They all drag themselves along with their one big foot. These vegetarians scrape algae off the rocks using their bare tongue. These carnivores sniff out their prey using their long proboscis, kind of like a nose, but then use their tongues for more lethal purposes. Ooh. If you think that's weird, how about these sea stars? They digest their food using their stomachs. Well, that's not so unusual, but they do it outside their bodies. That's right. They actually exert their stomach over their food, partially digest it, and then suck the mush straight back in again. Can you imagine the scene at a sea star dinner party? Quite messy, I'd say. But what really excites me about the rocky shore is the sex life. Mate, it is crazy down here. Believe it or not, it's pretty hard to find a partner on the rocky shore. Many creatures get past this by releasing their eggs and sperm out into the water, where they float around all day as plankton and hopefully end up in the right place at the right time, meet the egg of their dreams and settle out on some rock somewhere. Other animals, like this barnacle here, have gotten around the problem of finding a mate by growing the world's largest penis. Yeah, that's right. This incredible little creature, something like a crab that sits on its head all day in a personalised fortress, has grown the world's longest schlong. Relative to body size, that is. So that means if I was a barnacle, I would have a penis 40 metres long. Wow, that could be useful. So whether you're a snail with a big foot or a barnacle with a big penis, one thing is for certain. There's more to life on the rocky shore than meets the eye. This place is amazing, full of weird and wonderful creatures. Well worth a closer look. I hope you've enjoyed our brief rock pool ramble today. I know I certainly have. But I'll catch you next time on Environmental Expert. My name is Milica Scales, and right now I'm off to catch myself some waves. Woohoo!